Hi everyone. Today I wanted to quickly record a video of showing you code suggestions and actions. So I thought we could start by building a very simple app that would show how this works. So what I want to build is an app that would generate random baby names. And what I've done already is download the CSV from the internet, which is a list of baby names. So what the app's going to be do is a CLI that will generate a random baby name for you. So I'll start with actually trying to generate code. So I'm going to just give it a prompt. All right. So with that, you should see just in a bit that it would generate the code. And as you see, it generated the code. I'm just going to accept the suggestion to see what it's doing. So it's reading the file called baby.csv, and it's trying to go through it, and then it selects a random name from the list. So it does look okay. And if I just do a go build, and I think this just needs to be here. So if I actually do a go build and I just run name my baby, it should run. It'll just show me a single record in the file, right? So let's enhance this app a little bit. So let's give it some more information. Okay, so I don't want it really. I don't want it to just read the file on the spot. I want to embed the file into the into the CSV. So what I'm going to do into the binary. So I'm going to tell it to do that. And hopefully it should do that. And there you see the generated version is still reading. So it's still reading from a file. So let's fix that. So let's get rid of this code and give it a bit more information in the prompt. So I'm saying use go embed, so it gets a bit of a clue on what to do. And so hopefully this time, as you see, it's used go embed and it's embedded into the CSV, right? So it's gone ahead and done it. Let's see whether it actually works. So I'm going to just do a go mod tidy and go build again. So I see an error here that says, hey, this is only allowed in Go files and import embed. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is ask Dio chat error mean. So I'm asking it what does this error mean, and hopefully it should respond with the answer. There you go. So it actually tells me, hey, you know what, you're missing an import of embed. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in. So I'm just going to import embed in there, and if I do go build this time, it does build, and then I just run name my baby again, and it gives me a number which it's not supposed to. So we need to give it more information. So we need to keep refining our prompt. We need to tell it, hey, the first line actually contains this information so that it can actually figure out what to do. So I'm going to say this ESV has the following format, and I give it the format, and then I'm going to ask it to regenerate the file. Okay, that didn't work. So, oh, that did. This was a bit delayed. So it seems to be trying to separate out the record and knows which record is the name. So I think that would probably work. Let's try that out. And I call name the baby. and it still doesn't work. So let's try to fix this by actually giving it in place prompts. So the first thing we're going to do is, oh, it did remove the, I didn't save the file, that's what happened. Put the embed back in there, and to go build again and run name the baby, and it did work. So it was able to generate a name for me. So that's great. How about we try a bit more? So we can expand this to actually give it some in-place prompts. So what I want to do is ask it to give me a flag that would give me some more information. So I'm saying and there you go, it accepted that flag, so it created a flag and it looked it up, so that looks okay. Now the next thing we want to do is filter the records. So okay, so hopefully that should just filter. It finds the record with the right type, and then it goes and it filters the random record. So hopefully now it should work. So let's try go build, and now I call what happened there? Oops, I've released some of this stuff here. So I'm going to just go build again, and I'm going to call name my baby. This time I'll pass a type saying a boy. Ooh, say type. And there you go, got that, and I can try changing it to girl, and I get one more. So that's it for this demo. Thank you for listening.